Hey team, Rue here. Look, quick video for you. I want to chat about the number one thing, the number one resource that significantly moved the needle for growing my fitness business. And what I'm talking about here is that it got our clients better results, and it also improved our marketing and sales as well. So it really grew our business really fast. And back in 2012, seems a while ago now, huh? I started my own online fitness business, succeednutrition.com, and over the years, I'm really grateful. We've done so well with it as well. We've been able to coach literally hundreds and hundreds of people in our sort of personal coaching programs as well, but also go and impact and help people across the globe, thousands of people through our book, through our podcasts, through our content that we were creating as well. So it had a big impact. It was I'm really grateful for that as well. And to do that over the last number of years, you can bet I've had to do some hustling, right? And I've had to create dozens and dozens of pieces of content and resources and things to try and help our clients get to those results and to improve our own marketing, right? Our own sales and marketing process. And after all of that, there was one thing that really stood out for us, really clear, like night and day once we started implementing it, and that was the use of healthy recipes in our fitness business. So we decided to start creating these healthy recipes. We provided a pack to our clients every single month, and it just really took off. Like, they loved it, the resource, they were just like so grateful for it, and the feedback was so positive from it, and they started to get better results as well. And a big thing from that I've realized now is that we're not just showing clients what to do, we're also showing them with the healthy recipes how to do it. So we're trying to get them to eat better, to improve their habits, make better lifestyles. Then that's a big component of it, right? Healthy recipes, it's going to do so much there. And that was excellent, right? We were getting better results for our clients, we were boosting our adherence, we were getting better retention rates. On top of that then, we also decided to use these recipe packs in our marketing as well for the fitness business. So we started using them on our blogs, putting the recipes onto our blog posts. We also started to create free opt-ins as well, email opt-ins. They could get like a recipe pack with 10 or 12 recipes in it, so they could get that for free, and then that would allow us to do some email marketing with people, again growing our fitness business, growing our audience, our tribe, all of these things as well. So we were sending out the recipes in the emails for our subscribers, like, hey, check out this new blog post, here's a new pack for you as well. And we just saw like our engagement increase, our open rates, our social shares, everything just continued to grow through just implementing this one resource in our fitness business. And after that, we had a lot of clarity, and it was super easy to do. So that's what we did. But of course, it's not easy for you and for myself really to create these recipes that we can use in our fitness business. Yeah, there's millions of recipes online, but how can you actually create them that you own the rights to them? They're white label, they're brandable, you can customize and claim them as your own. That's a gap that I always struggled with. So we created our own recipes from scratch, and over the years we've got really good at this. So what I've done is I've put a totally free healthy recipe pack together for you to go and download. I'll include the link somewhere here up below side the video. Go and check it out. You can download a totally free unbranded client recipe pack that you can download. You can then send it to your clients. You can start using it in the different ways that I've just mentioned to you here as well, and start seeing if it's going to benefit you and your clients and you and your fitness business as well, just like it has done for me. So again, go and download it, grab your free copy of that as well. It's totally unbranded. There's 12 healthy, delicious recipes in there. And also when you subscribe, I'm going to send you some other cool coaching resources as well that I know you're going to love and help your fitness business as well. So win-win, all right? That's it, guys. Checking out here from a rather lovely day here in Barcelona. I hope you've enjoyed the view. Hope you enjoyed the content. Let me know in the comments as well. That's it. All right. See you. Till next time. Bye-bye.